Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Upwork affiliate marketing with verified referrals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Upwork affiliate marketing with verified referrals, start by signing into your Upwork account. Navigate to the affiliate program section in the Upwork dashboard. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program to ensure compliance. Once you understand the requirements, apply for the affiliate program if you haven't already. Wait for the application to be reviewed and approved by Upwork. After approval, log back into your account. Locate your unique affiliate link provided by Upwork. Create marketing materials using this link to promote the affiliate program. Share your affiliate link through various channels, such as social media, blogs, or websites. To ensure your referrals are verified, encourage potential freelancers to sign up directly through your link. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly to track clicks and conversions. Check for any additional promotional tools Upwork may offer, such as banners or email templates. Engage with your audience to provide value and drive traffic to your affiliate link. Keep an eye on the performance metrics to understand what strategies are working. Adjust your marketing tactics based on the data you gather. Stay updated on any changes to the Upwork affiliate program to optimize your efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and manage your Upwork affiliate marketing with verified referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.